Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mruchyorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha.
Today we are going to see the benefits of eating vegetarian food. Let us see. It is said that eating only vegetarian food keeps a person healthy and happy. Vegetarian food is also called as complete diet. This contains dietary fiber, vitamins like C and E, folic acid, magnesium, unsaturated fats, and phytochemicals. This is why BP and cholesterol are under control in persons who take only vegetarian food. These people have a low risk of getting a heart attack. In addition to these, it is very easy to digest vegetarian food. The cooking process is easy and it is healthier and cheaper. Vegetables benefit not only our health but also the environment. Let us see the advantages of vegetarian food. Number 1, increasing the lifespan. There are many factors which prolong the lifespan, and vegetarian food is one of them. Chemicals and toxins are formed in very less quantities when we eat fruits and vegetables. This extends the lifespan, and one can be healthy too, all through the life. Number 2, the decrease of cholesterol levels. Believe it or not, there is no health benefit of taking animal fat. Vegetarian diet does not have any cholesterol. Cholesterol comes only from non-vegetarian food. Every cell in our body needs cholesterol, but that cholesterol can be produced in our body. A search in Korea proved that vegetarians have lesser levels of cholesterol and fat. The next advantage is keeps away from the risk of heart attack and brain stroke. Vegetarians are very careful in picking up their diet. They take care to see that the emotional diet does not dominate their lives. A study that took place in Belgium says that vegetarians are less prone to heart and brain strokes to considerable extent. The next advantage is a risk of diabetes kept away. Blood sugar levels are sometimes very high in non-vegetarians. It is extremely high immediately after taking food. It does not happen in case of vegetarian food. Healthy vegetarian diet can easily be digested and contains more nutrients and less fatty acids. Healthy skin is the another advantage of vegetarian food. If you want to be healthy and if you want healthy skin, you should follow two ways. One is to take more vitamins and minerals. Second is to drink more water. Fruits and vegetables have sufficient minerals and antioxidants. Moreover, they contain more water also. All these give you a healthy skin. The next advantage is dietary fiber. For the digestion to take place easily, dietary fiber is compulsory. This is abundant in fruits and vegetables. This improves the metabolic activities in the body and sends out toxins and chemicals. The water content in vegetarian food keeps the body hydrated. And the next advantage is lessens depression. According to studies, vegetarians are happier than non-vegetarians, especially organic vegetarian food enhances positive thoughts. And the next advantage is increases metabolism rate. As vegetarian food increases the metabolic activities, it is digested very easily. That is why fatty foods are digested quickly in vegetarians. The risk of cataract disease. According to a research in Oxford Dictionary, there is a direct relation between the food we take and the development of cataract. The vegetarians have a low risk of cataract compared to non-vegetarians. And the last benefit of vegetarian food is low expenditure. This is very funny to hear also. This is not a health benefit, but this is a significant factor. Vegetarian food is cheaper than non-vegetarian food, so it saves your money also.
Sit in Vajrasan position. Place your both hands on your knees. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head upwards, stretching backwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now we switch over to the next movement. It is called neck rotation. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale. Complete the rotation by bringing it to the normal position. Do it for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, relax. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start hand movements. Hand movements help us in relieving the stress in the hands and help us in strengthening hands. Now we start the first one, fingers clenching movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, close your fingers, covering your thumb. Inhale, release your fingers. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Put your hands down, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. After every movement, we should breathe in, breathe out slowly for at least 2 times. The second movement, wrist bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, bring your palm downwards. Inhale, bring them upwards. Now we repeat them for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start wrist rotation movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Rotate them for 4 times. Now we rotate them in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale, rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Exhale, bring them to normal position. We repeat this for 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat the same in the anti-clock direction. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now relax. Put your hands down slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch on to the next movement. It is ankle rotating movement. First, bend your feet downwards and start rotating. Bend your feet downwards and start rotating them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Rotate them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Now, upwards. Bend your feet upwards and rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Now in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Come to Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now let's move on to the next one, knee bending movement. Exhale, bring your right leg close to your chest. Inhale, straighten your leg without touching ground. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we do the same to the left leg for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Please stand up. Now we switch over to Tadasana. Samasthiti. Now let's look at the technique of Tadasana. Raise your hands slowly above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palms upwards. And inhale, raise your body slowly on your toes. Now, exhale, raise your body downwards, touching ground with your feet. Repeat this 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly inhale, exhale. Hands down and relax. Let's start Tiriyak Tadasana. Let's see the technique in Tiriyak Tadasana. Raise your hands above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palm upwards, and exhale and turn your body to your right side. Now breathe in and come to natural position. Now exhale and then turn your body slowly to your left side and breathe in. Now come to natural position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Put your hands down slowly. Now relax. Now let's switch over to Parshva Tadasana. Let's look at the technique in Parshva Tadasana. Raise your hands slowly above your head and interlock your fingers, turning your palm upwards, and inhale, exhale. Slowly bend your body to your right side. Now inhale and come to the natural position. Now exhale, bend your body to your left side. Inhale and come to the natural position. Repeat it for 3 times. Exhale, slowly. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Put your hands down slowly and relax. Now let's switch over to Udara Karasana. Let's see the techniques in this posture. First, stretch your arms forward up to shoulder level. Exhale. Turn your body to the right side slowly, touching right shoulder with left hand. Inhale and come to normal position. Now exhale, turn your body to the left side, touching left shoulder with the right hand. Inhale, come to the normal position. Repeat this 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Let us repeat all the steps one by one. Step 1, Pranamasana. Step 2, Hasta Uttasana. Step 3, Pada Hastasana. Step 4, Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5, Dandasana. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7, Bhujangasana. Step 8, Parvatasana. Step 9, Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 10, Padahastasana. Step 11, Hasta Uttasana. Pranamasana. Relax. Raise your hands up. Bring your hands down. Now, let us repeat all the steps one more time. Step 1, Pranamasana. Step 2, Hasta Uttasana. Step 3, Padahastasana. Step 4, Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5, Dandasana. Step 6 Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7 Bhujangasana. Step 8 Parvatasana. Step 9 Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 10 Padahastasana. Step 11 Hasta Uttasana. Step 12 Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Slowly bring them down. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let us repeat all the steps one by one. Step 1 Pranamasana. Step 2 Hasta Uttasana. Step 3 Padahastasana. Step 4 Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 5 Dandasana. Step 6 Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7 Bhujangasana. Step 8 Parvatasana. Step 9 Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 10 Padahastasana. Step 11 Hasta Uttasana. Step 12 Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Slowly bring them down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now Savasana. Now slowly lie down on your back. Leave some space between both the legs. Stretch your hands a little. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now Samasthiti. Bring your both legs together, hands together. Slowly get up and sit. Kapalabhati also creates heat and increases and stimulates the digestive fire, which is also called Agni, by strengthening, massaging, and toning the abdominal muscles and digestive system. Let us see the Kapalabhati technique. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Now slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now let us repeat this Kapalabhati one more time. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now let us see the meaning of Surya Bhedana. In yogic terminology, the right nostril referred to the gateway of sun energy or Pingala Nadi, and left nostril is gateway of moon energy or Ida Nadi. Sun energy is the representation of heart or masculine vitality in the body, while moon energy represents calmness or feminine vitality. If we go by the literal meaning of Surya Bhedana, Surya means sun, Bhedana means piercing or entering. Surya Bhedana Pranayama is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Now sit in any comfortable position, but sit erect. Form Prana Mudra with your right hand. When you close your right nostril, use your right thumb. When you close your left nostril, use your right finger, ring finger, and little finger. Is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Let us do it. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale it through left nostril. Now repeat this. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale. Relax.
Start Swasti prayer.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां शान्तिः भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ तत्सत्। ॐ नमः। ॐ नमः।
Thank you.